Welcome to this comprehensive video on the basics of information technology. In this video, we'll cover fundamental concepts in IT, from hardware and software to networking, security, programming, web development, databases, cloud computing, and emerging technologies. In this video, we'll cover fundamental concepts in IT, from hardware and software to networking, security, programming, web development, databases, cloud computing, and emerging technologies. Let's start with hardware. Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system, such as the central processing unit, CPU, random access memory, RAM, hard disk drive, HDD, motherboard, and other components. These components work together to execute commands and store data. Moving on to software. Software refers to the programs and applications that run on a computer system. There are different types of software, such as system software, application software, and programming software. Each type has its own functions, and they are developed and distributed differently. Open source software has benefits in terms of flexibility and security. Networking is the process of connecting devices to share resources and communicate with each other. Different types of networks include local area networks, LAN, wide area networks, WAN, and wireless networks. Network topologies and protocols determine how data is transmitted across a network. Networking devices such as routers, switches, and hubs are used for network security, which includes firewalls, VPNs, and IDS/IPS. Security is a crucial aspect of IT. Threats such as viruses, malware, and phishing attacks can compromise data and systems. Security measures such as firewalls, antivirus software, and encryption can protect personal and sensitive information. Data privacy is important, and ethical hacking and penetration testing can help identify vulnerabilities. An operating system, OS, manages computer hardware and software resources and provides common services for computer programs. Different types of operating systems include Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. An operating system includes features such as file management, multitasking, and user interface. Virtualization and containerization help with managing and deploying multiple operating systems and applications. Programming involves writing instructions for a computer to execute. Programming languages such as Python, Java, and C++ have different syntax and structures. Programming paradigms such as object-oriented programming and functional programming provide different approaches to programming. Web development involves building websites and web applications. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are the basic building blocks of web development. Different types of web applications include e-commerce sites and social media platforms. Server-side scripting and web frameworks such as React, Angular, and Django can help with building dynamic and interactive web applications. A database is a collection of data that is organized in a way that can be easily accessed, managed, and updated. Different types of databases include relational databases and NoSQL databases. Data modeling and normalization are important for organizing data in a database. Database management systems, DBMS, such as MySQL, Oracle, and MongoDB help with managing databases. Cloud computing involves delivering computing services such as servers, storage, databases, and software over the internet. Different types of cloud services include Infrastructure as a Service, IaaS, Platform as a Service, PaaS, and Software as a Service, SaaS. Cloud computing offers benefits such as scalability and cost-effectiveness. Popular cloud providers include Amazon Web Services, AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. Finally, emerging technologies such as artificial intelligence, AI, blockchain, and the Internet of Things, IoT, have the potential to change the IT landscape. These technologies have various applications and raise ethical and social implications. That's it for this comprehensive video on information technology basics. I hope you found this information useful. Remember, IT is a vast and ever-changing field, and there is always something new to learn. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them.